Hello YouTube, I'm out here trying to assemble an Audi 2.7 stock pistons with MaxSpeeding rods, forged connecting rods. There's a stock 2.7 pistons. Got the side skirts coated and the crowns. When assembly, connecting rod, the flat side on the left facing the front of the engine, and you can see the little bulge on the right side facing the back of the engine. Here's a stock version. Arrow facing towards the front of the engine. Now the connecting rod and pistons is now assembled. I have the connecting rod pins. I have one side of the clip at 6 o'clock. I have the other side of the clip at 12 o'clock. Alright, until next time.